45 minutes travel time, so it's not that far away. My plan is to, of course, to take the golden hour, the blue hour and the sunrise. I'm tired but also a bit excited because I was only one time there. It's also for me a bit new. I have to pay attention that I don't fall asleep on the autopilot.
In 200 meters, enter the roundabout. Take the second exit.
Oh, shit. There are a lot of cars for this time in the morning. Okay, look how sick that is. Wow. I'm now here at the parking. I looked for a spot on top of that hill there. It's a 30-minute walk up there, and I should have a good view to the Dolomites and the whole Alm. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. The sun is already rising, so oh shit, wrong way. One thing I wanted always to test is the low light capability of this camera. I'm now on 102,000 ISO. You can go even further to 400,000, but the quality then isn't that good anymore. But on 102,000 ISO the quality is pretty good. And yes, look at this. I'm really impressed. It's really dark, but with 102 ISO, it looks like the sun is shining, or it's during the day. That's cool. It's too early in the morning. Okay, there you can see that's the parking, and that's the Seiser Alm there. And there are these freaking awesome Dolomites. Okay, the slopes are made perfect with the piston bullies. Oh god, this stress at 6 AM, that's terrible. But the view is insane, crazy. I don't see often views like this. Look at this. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I made it. Okay, I would say I'm on the perfect spot for today. I stay here because it's way too early in the morning. Okay, today I have my drone here, 3 batteries, my 270 to 200 millimeter 2.8 G Master, 3 batteries, the controller, goggles, some food, water, the GoPro for the drone. Shit. Okay, so let's fly the drone. Move close and hand. I'm lost right now without you, babe. My plans still leave all changing. Feel you instead. I'm lost right now without you, babe. I'm lost right now without you, babe. flight number 2 is done. I nearly crashed the drone. Do you see these mountains there? That's another very famous, or maybe the most famous spot here in the Dolomites. That's Seceda. I think you know what it is, you already seen it. I will go there in the summer without snow, it's more beautiful. I did 3 flights with the drone, but now I have to go to the car because I can't feel my hands and feet anymore. It's cold, yeah, it's still winter, so I go to the car and then to a restaurant, to a bar, to drink my favorite drink in Italy, and that's the cappuccino. And I'm looking already forward to come here again in the summer, also to go to Seceda in the summer and many other places.